To create a page on Facebook, there are two options that you can use to create a business page on Facebook. The first one, you can use your home page like this. That's your Facebook profile page like this, and come to where it is shown. And if you hit on create here, you get access to create your page. And the other option is to use the Facebook business page, that's what the ads manager. And this video I'll go with the ads manager, that's what using the Facebook meta business or the business.facebook.com. So I recommend, if you want to create a page, use business.facebook.com and make sure you haven't created a page before you can be able to access this one. Or if you have created a page, you can create other one. That one, it will be under your old portfolio, or you can set up your new portfolio. So for this one, we will first need to set up our portfolio. So that's this one. And on creating a business page like this, you need to use the portfolio. So I will name my portfolio, that's for my business account. I come here. If you have any email address, you can enter your email address. So after providing your details, then you hit on the submit, and here they are asking us what we want to do. So we want to create a page. That's what we have already set up our portfolio. So to create a page, we have these stuffs here. So we'll come to the goal here and select set up a page. So it will take you here. Here is where you're gonna start creating your page. To start, you can hit on start here, or you can hit on create a page here. So when you go to this one, you see what personal profile, that's using a profile account, that's what the converted one. So now they make it straight for you to create that one, or you can upgrade your normal profile account into a professional account, but we are creating a public page. Okay, so you see the difference between them. Okay, so this one is a profile account, is a public page, and create another profile, grow a business, creator or organization, get new name and feed, get advanced profile tools, choose who you connect with, assign access to others. Okay, so there's difference between profile page and page. So this one, we are going to create a business one, that's for, is a content creator, you can choose that one. For a businessman, for a marketer and stuff, so you can choose this one. So choose this one, then I come to next. So if you hit on that one, it will take you through a lot of other stuff that you'll be able to get when you create a public page. So this one, you will reach more people. The reason is that if you have a public page, everyone can see your content on their feed, but on the profile page, it's only people that you follow that will see your content on their profile feed, and you get advanced insight about your page, and other people can also be connected to your page and help you manage your page. There are so many features like art features and shop. You end with your content and other stuff that you will get on creating a public page. So I would commend anyone like a content creator, a business, or any other one to choose a public page rather than choosing this one, right? So here you're going to enter the name of that page that you want to create, right? Then you come and hit on create. Page has been created. Now go to your page and add a lot of details with your page. So here, if you have a website, you can add your website, you add your telephone number. So here I'm Ghanaian, so I will choose Ghana here. If you don't have a website, you have a YouTube account, you can enter that YouTube account, your zip code. So this is my zip code here. You can select no hour available or always open. So if you're a content creator, choose always open, then you come to next. So here you're going to add your profile account. So your profile account, you can set up your profile account. So I'm going to choose any profile account because this is for only content. Then I'll choose mine. So you see it will appear here. So in case someone go to your page, they will see this, they will see your name, they will see all the stuff and your page. Okay, so your intro about your pages is this one. right? So in case someone want to contact you, they can use any of these stars to contact you straight forward. All right, so the next step is to add your WhatsApp account. If you don't have it, you can skip it. So the WhatsApp account that you are going to add is a business WhatsApp business account, not any WhatsApp account. Add a WhatsApp business account. You skip this one, you can invite others. You go to invite and then you are done. So this is our page right here. So setting up a business page, this is our page right here, right? And if you look down here, you will see that we have some stuff here that are being listed here, right? So you can remove some of them or you can add some of them to it. Now our page, there's no one is following our page, and you see that if you scroll down, you see a lot of stars on your page. Now what you can do to make your page good and healthy, and for Facebook to recommend your page to others, it will start creating a post. And if you go here, you will see a lot of stars that you need to start completing. Provide info like link your WhatsApp account, link your your Instagram account, add a button like make easy people to think like call you or book any appointment and other stuff with you. And then you can invite others. You can create a post right here. So if you check here, all these stuff has been done to my page right here. So there are 14 steps you need to do to make your page look healthy so that Facebook can start recommending you. And to create a page, if your focus is to make something or earn from Facebook monetization, make sure you post a lot of content on your page. And if I come to the Meta Business Suite, so the Meta here give us a lot of other stuff that we can see about our page here, right? So there are other stuff that here we can use the ads manager to create ads. We can use the content to see our content. We have notification. We have a lot of stars out here that we can use. If you go to all, you see a bunch of stars that you can use a business page for, right? So you see all these stars out here. We have the e-commerce, we have events manager, audience, and other stuff that you can use if you're using a Facebook business account. This is what you see from your account. If I go to monetization here, they will give me uh, something that I need to make sure I follow to be able to monetize my account. Let's go to the eligibility. You are not credited to apply for monetization. That means this is a new page. There's no content on my page. There's nothing I can do right here to be able to start earning from my page. Okay, so this is the easiest way to create a page. And we have the insight also here. You can go to the insight and see what is trending, what is going on, the intro, the view, the followers, the likes, and other stars that your page have got for you right here. Right, so this is the overview that you can use to look much more about your page, right? So if you're using a business page, it's a plus plus for you. So you can go out there, create your business page. That step that we follow, you can follow the same steps on your mobile phone to be able to create this amazing page that you see out here. Our next video, we're going to look at much more on Facebook, how you can start getting a lot of followers on your page.